Do it for yourself personally and do it for yourself for your business, and you will give yourself a raise today. Here's this week's episode in 60 seconds. If you slow down and this weekend you went and reviewed every single credit card statement that you have, every single bill that's being paid, you're going to find out today, guaranteed, that you signed up for software that you're paying once a quarter automatically on your credit card. There's probably various insurances that you've took out months ago that you forgot to cancel, or you signed up for that, free 30-day trial membership and you're still paying on it now 3 years later. Long-term commitments, contracts, signing stuff for 4 years, 5 years. This stuff will slowly deplete your bank account, both personally and professionally.